All right, hello everyone. Welcome to the leading up to my 1000 days challenge. This is day 588, so let's get things started. All right, so yeah, apologies for the camera wise, but yep, this is set up. So as well as similarly today, actually not much of an update if you compare to yesterday itself. So US market tentatively still leans towards neutral to bearish territory until the downslope trend line is breached or a decent bullish market structure is formed above the downslope trend line. Then I would say there's more likelihood of at least a shorter term bounce, be it a dead cat bounce or be it a reversal or trend is more likely to take place. Otherwise, I would still lean towards neutral to bearish territory itself. So on the other hand, for ASHR, KWEB definitely still remains bearish. ASHR is looking to consolidate below support itself for now-turn resistance. So definitely could either lead to a weak ticket bounce or potentially a continuation towards the downside. And for KWEB itself, it just remains in uncharted territory. So definitely no clear support. I wouldn't even consider it to trading it simply because it's right now in really uncharted territory in the history of KWEB itself, but obviously not underlying stocks itself because KWEB is the index actually came later than the stocks it comprises of. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, there's no clear trend on the forward chart. It remains rather choppy. You can see over here, crisscrossing on the 200-day exponential and simple moving averages, and all the moving averages are just crisscrossing one another. No clear trend. But if you look towards the daily chart itself, similarly, you can see very much of a crisscrossing pattern itself. So until this formation is actually breached towards the upside or the downside itself, I don't see a strong trend forming. So what you generally want to do is, for example, you want here, you want a break of the trend line itself. So at least break over here, a retest, and then potentially entering a short over here. That could perhaps be the case at the 58K region itself. So you break over there, retest, and then break over, and then you can continue to short it in that sense. So that's what you want to see. But until that has taken place itself, bearing in mind it could still potentially form a double bottom. I'm not very keen on entering a short in terms of long-term investment-wise, or at least a mid-term kind of a trading approach. But yeah, let's see how things goes. But definitely on the forward chart, I don't see any suitable setup as of right now, as I'm basically more of a trend follower kind of a trader. Yep, but otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop out your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.